Kijiji Ad Pro Tip. Include identifying information about your company, website, or phone number in the thumbnail picture. Many people don't actually click the ad while scrolling, especially in mobile. So if you have your company's name or website, it will still register psychologically with them for the future and increase your brand awareness. They may even visit your website or call you without ever clicking the ad. This has an additional benefit of not costing you anything on a cost per click basis, in AdMart, for example. Make sure to put identifying information or a way to contact you in the thumbnail to increase your campaign's profitability. Also, the first few lines of text in the description are most important because they are previewed while people are scrolling on the site. So be sure to include compelling words, such as the ones we listed in our Words That Sell section that really catch people's attention in the first few sentences.